All right, guys, welcome to Terminal 2 San Diego. We got a little bit busier of an update today. Got some more aircraft up there, and I also updated a bunch of the jetway logos. So most of the jetways now have logos on them, and a lot of them are the new style of the magnetic logos. There are still a couple paper ones out there because they're just it's just too easy to keep them in there for now, but most of them are magnetic. All right, Terminal 2 East. Here's one that wasn't out there last time. The Killer Whale Orca livery, Max 9. Just about bidding farewell to Spirit's A319s. That they're talking about retiring them here in the near future. So I brought the 319 out there. All right, new to the American gates, I got my PSA Heritage A321. You can see on this one, you got the new magnetic logo on this jetway. I newly arrived here to the airport A319, and that's the Gemini 200 version. And those are the new ones on 2 East. All right, 2 West. I've got a couple of my Alaska E175s. All right, just arrived at Sun Country 737-800. This was my first JetBlue custom with the bubble tail, the JetBlue A320. All right, I moved my 737-900 over to this side for the update, and we'll see in a second why I did that. There's the 757. Here's the pushing back, since I don't know how much longer the merger livery birds are going to be at United. So here's the 737-800 getting pushed back at gate number 39. Flying pencil, 757-300 in the new one. That might be the first time I've had this thing out on an airport. All right, the United Heritage A320, the Friendship. The same two ones that were out here last time, the Max 9 and the 319. Same A319 here, and here's why. I had to move the 737 over. So I'm using this gate today. This is one of my hybrid gates where you can either fit 2 narrow bodies, as you can see right here on these 2 running lines, or you can fit 1 on 47 Alpha of a wide body. So this might be the first time I've had the A330neo out here at gate number 47. Not a lot of GSE around it today because I had just wanted to bring it out. I don't have a whole lot of wide body GSE. Right now my currently only cargo loader that I own is on this Hawaiian 787. Yep. See, that one's got the nice jetways, the jetway logo as well. And I think this was out there on the last one too, the Rouge A319. And as you can see, that one also has the Air Canada logo on it. there it is.